Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Dependabot alerts and remediation workflows, beginner guide step by step clearly. Open your GitHub repository. Navigate to the Security tab. Click on Dependabot Alerts. Review the list of open alerts. Select an alert to view its details. Read the description of the vulnerability. Check the affected dependencies listed in the alert. Follow the link provided for more information on the vulnerability. Assess the suggested remediation steps. Determine your project's needs based on the alert. If an update is available, click on the Fix button. Select the appropriate version to upgrade your dependency. Follow GitHub's prompts to create a pull request. Review the changes in the pull request. Run any existing tests to ensure functionality remains intact. Merge the pull request if everything looks good. Monitor the status of the merged pull request. Verify that the alert is no longer present in the Dependabot alerts. Adjust your workflow to incorporate alerts regularly. Stay updated with any new vulnerabilities that may arise. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.